So you have wrinkles in your pool liner, and this is a brand new pool liner that's been installed. And you've come to the internet now because you've got wrinkles in your liner and you kind of weren't expecting that, or maybe that's not what you want to see at all, and you've been told, no, it's okay, it's normal, get a couple of wrinkles, or they go away later, or some other business like that. Well, let me go on record here and say that there is never, ever supposed to be wrinkles in a new vinyl liner installation. That's just the bottom line. I've installed thousands of liners, well, maybe not thousands, but over 1,000 for sure, and they don't have wrinkles ever. And if they do have wrinkles the day that I install them, that wrinkle's going to be there forever. Wrinkles don't go away after the fact, so don't buy into that. If your installer is telling you, oh, just wait to the end of the season and see, if it gets better, it's not going to get any better. Either the wrinkles are gone the day the liner is installed, or the liner wasn't measured and installed properly. If you found this information helpful, be sure to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And you can check out my website, swimmingpoolsteve.com.